this video, I'm going to show you how to close down apps on your Mac computer. So this is going to work for both MacBook Pros and also MacBook Airs. So if I go and open up an application on my MacBook, so if I go and open up Safari, then you can see that if I click on this red cross in the top left-hand side, then it doesn't completely shut down and close down the application. You can see down here in the dock that it's still running in the background. So to go and completely shut out of an application, what you can do is if I just load back up Safari, I can click on the application name in the top left-hand side. So in this case, it's Safari, and then I can click on Quit Safari at the bottom of this menu. Now, another thing you can do is just hold the left click button down on the application, and you can see down here in the taskbar, we're going to have this option to quit, and you can also quit out of the application from here. Now, the final way to go and close an application is if you go and press the command and the letter Q on your keyboard at the same time. This is a shortcut key to go and close out of an app. So those are 3 ways you can close down applications on your Mac. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you in the next one.